Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's talk about lists in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, what they are, how they are working, and why they matter. So, a list in Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a simple way to store and manage your subscriber. It's mainly used in Email Studio for basic email marketing setup. Each list contains subscriber, their email address, subscription status, and profile attributes. In last video, we already discussed about profile management, so you can just gone through with that video. So let's go to Email Studio. Inside the email, you can see a subscriber module. Inside that, you can see list. So list is only specific data model for Email Studio. We can't use list in other modules. In later video, we can discuss further, but you can just remember that the list is specific to Email Studio. Now, let's try to create a new list. We can say patch 002 and we can maintain outside. Just click on save. So once you click on save, here you can see our list is created and by default the list type is standard. So we have a couple of type of list. In later video we can discuss this also. Now just open the list and here you can see all attributes name on the top. Now click on create. So they will ask you to insert a subscriber key. So that is a unique key for all record. If your data source is only Salesforce Marketing Cloud, so you can make an email address as a subscriber key. Or if you are managing data from any third party, so based on your requirement, you can create any system generated unique number or whatever you prefer, you can generate that. But for now, I'm making an email address as a subscriber key. Inside the email address, I can put the same first name, last name, in date of birth, I can enter 21st 3 2000. Click on next. A subscriber with a subscriber key given only exists. Would you like to? Okay, okay, got it. So in another list, I already used that subscriber key. That's why it's not allowing us. So let's add a name. Now click on next. The information is entered. Invalid, invalid. Okay. The date format is this. No, this is not the date format. I guess month. Yeah. So in Marketing Cloud, the date format is month, date, and year. So always remember that. Now we can just click on finish. Use attribute value for the previous subscriber. Just click on finish. So once you reload, So you can see one record is created. We can just quickly verify that. Yeah, the record is created. In status, you can see active, subscriber key, creation date, all required field is created. The user which I using is API user, so all information is stored here. 13 Feb 2000, correct? Yeah. So that's how we can insert the record manually. So in next video, we're gonna talk about how we can insert or import a multiple record by using an import. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.